Hey guys, alright, this lighting is not great. I apologize for that. The sun is currently not out at the moment, but for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and do like this little vlog for you guys for my 12 days of Christmas, or my 12 days of Vlogmas, as some people like to call it. For those of you that don't know, I do one video every day for 12 days leading up to Christmas Day. I already have 2 videos up currently. This is the 3rd one that you're on currently. But yeah, today I figured we'd do like a little like follow me around, little vlog video. There are a few things I want to do today. I really want to get a few piercings today on my ears. That's what I'm thinking. My family and I are actually going to get a tattoo all together soon, so I might just wait for that and do 2 tattoos. I'm not sure yet. That'll be in the next few weeks most likely. Yeah, right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish some editing. I'm going to post day 2 right now for you guys, which if you guys are watching this video, that video is already up. So I don't know why I told you that, but yeah, that's what I'm currently doing right now. I'm probably going to do some yoga, waiting for a friend to come over, and yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing later. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so sorry if I have a lisp right now. I'm wearing my Invisalign right now, which I'm almost done with, thank God. I think I'm gonna be done with it around my birthday, so that's gonna be a nice birthday present to me. Anyway, I meant to film me getting my daith piercing yesterday. I have it, by the way. Obviously, I'm a crappy vlogger, and I forgot to bring my camera yesterday, so I apologize for that. I'm so excited about it. It's so cool. They said I shouldn't touch it, so I'm just kind of gonna leave it be like that. But I'm really freaking excited about it. The guy there was so freaking professional. Like, I couldn't believe it. He was giving me so many facts and information about the daith piercing. Really love the place I went to. I think I'm gonna talk my family into us all getting our tattoos over there because they just have great reviews in general. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. Rumor has it this piercing is supposed to help with anxiety, and it's also supposed to help with like migraines, which I get chronic migraines, and I didn't have a migraine yesterday at all. Doesn't help with anxiety, however. I had a major anxiety attack last night, like in the middle of nowhere, like woke up screaming and freaking out. It was just hyperventilating. Like I honestly felt like I couldn't breathe at all. Life, that's always fun. I haven't had one of those in a while, so that kind of sucked. That's how my life's going. So today, I think my sister and I were actually gonna go to a Blackhawks game tonight, which I'm pretty excited about. But yeah, I'm just gonna have you guys follow me around. I'm just gonna be vlogging a few things, probably check in with you guys in a bit, so I will see you guys then.
Take a seat right over there, sat on the stairs.
Haven gives no fucks.
This stupid car seat out of the freaking way.
Oh my god.
How are you back there, Erica?
Erica, how are you?
You
okay?
I'm back there. Pillow.
So why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle, baby? I'm losing my mind just a little. Why don't you just meet me in the middle, 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 middle? Oh baby. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Oh, take a step back for a minute into the kitchen, floors are wet, and taps are still running, dishes are broken. How did we get into this mess? Got so aggressive. I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer. Why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh, baby.
You guys can't see me. Hey guys, so that pretty much concludes this vlog. I'm not sure how short this vlog is going to be. I feel like it's going to be a little bit short. I apologize for that. I don't know, just not too much went on today, but filled you guys in with a little bit at least. Wound up having a fun time at the game. My cousins wound up coming, as you guys saw as well, and that was always a fun time, so shout out to Isabel and Brianna. You guys wanted to be in one of my vlogs, so there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Vlogmas vlog I decided to do for you here. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my 12 days of Christmas that I have going on my channel. Have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be, and I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.